You know she still needs a hobby.
She says that she's buying lingerie every weekend. Tell me that she want it, but you know she's freaking. Lying like she owns it, I tell her microphone it, but she's just all over the